Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Uh, in this video, I want to explain my project language assessment in part 1 and part 2. For part 2 is video about ask people or classmates to answer my question. For first time is project language assessment is individual, so I want to represent my name. My name is Dimas Gali and I'm from class 33 5A 07, and this is my SID. First is assessing literary response. Discuss how to evaluate student ability to respond to literary text in language testing context. For this response, assessing literary response, it's about essay, a discussion or short answer. It's like not multiple choice, but it's like essay. You answer essay question and discussion with your group or with your teacher, or short answer for like short with short story. Sorry. Usually to involves evaluating a combination of understanding, analysis, evidence, and interpretation. For understanding is like you remember your question or your discussion or short conversation, like this is the most on point on this answer or this discussion. And analysis like your imagination about that portion of discussion or short story for the answer. For evidence, like you go to the class and you answer it on whiteboard. For interpretation, I like it like you raise your hand to answer it, and if teacher answer you to answer it, yes, you must answer. This is interpretation. While remember the word from the context and no context in testing. So this is the context and no context in testing, like if for example, if the story is story like animal or human, like between these two, you must to remember the word from the context, like two contexts, human and animal. And no context is like you thinking about plant, fauna, something like that. Okay, next, key criteria. For this, key is comprehension, is like assess the student understanding of basic plot, character, and setting. Like the plot is main plot, character like this A, this B, and this C. And setting like background character, maybe like setting like, oh, in this character in hotel. That's it. So next, analysis and interpretation. Look for evidence of critical thinking, such as the ability to interpret themes, themes, symbols and motifs, and support this interpretation with evidence from the text. For themes and symbol and motif, like for example, this is symbol for drink, something like that, or like this symbol or motif for beauty. Okay, so with evidence from the text, you must read it on your inside the class, and you must sorry, you must reading with your text. Okay, next, contextual understanding. Evaluate it if the student can place the text within its relevant historical, cultural, or literary context. So this key is most about our culture, historical, and the context on from the text. Place the text. Writing, speaking skills is evaluated clarity, organization, grammar, and vocabulary usage. It is important to ensure that a lack of language proficiency does not obscure their understanding of the literature itself. For this key is like, you must evaluate your job or organization or your grammar, like your evidence for understanding the language, or lack of language. For the last is method of assessment is open-ended. Writing tasks are more authentic than multiple choice question, as they require students to produce a response and organize their thought. Second is performance-based assessment, such as oral interview or class discussion. Allow students to demonstrate their understanding and apply knowledge in more interactive real-world context. Third is portfolios of written response collected over time can provide a comprehensive view of student progress and ability. For this context, I want to third context. This is like your progress ability. You can more collected is time to time. That's it. Fourth, the last is rubrics or scoring guides are essential for outlining specific criteria. For example, comprehension analysis, writing quality, and ensuring consistency and fairness in evaluation. Hello, Jackie. Good morning, mister. How are you?
I'm doing great. What about you?
I'm grateful. Uh, how about I make a question and you answer it?
It's already your job, right?
Yeah, it's alright. I want to ask you about something.
Yes.
Is your favorite, like
Okay.
drink or food?
That's such a simple question. So the first is what is my favorite food, right?
Yeah.
Uh, I would say my favorite food is maybe original fried chicken. It's because my mom when I child he always cook me he always cook food for me like chicken and sayur asam, and
Yeah.
sambal. That's a good combination food. And for my what is my favorite drink, I would say that is a tea. I prefer it iced tea, like jasmine tea
With sugar or no?
or chamomile tea. Yes, of course. I don't like bitter
Sugar.
Oh,
Uh, this is for the question. I want to
yes. Feel free to ask me.
uh, asking about your hobby on your home
So
in free time.
I have a lot of hobby. I will choose just one, right? So one of my hobby is it's about music.
Yeah,
I play
I know.
guitar,
Yeah,
and
I see that.
Do I know you?
Yeah, you always your status on WhatsApp. You play guitar, right?
Okay. So you know me.
Yeah.
My hobby is play guitar because it it's fun to strumming your guitar with the music, with the rhythm, you know.
Yeah.
Ah, I think you don't know, but it's okay. Uh, and I have my own band, so that's why I like being in the band. So that's it.
Okay, that's for any question.
Okay.
Thank you for.
Is there any question?
No.
No. Is it enough?
Enough.
Yes. Okay.
Thanks for.
My pleasure.
For part two is the question about activity, and that is my friend or my classmate on same prodi with me and same campus, of course. And for this part 2 is like, sorry for I don't understand why we have used the alma mater, so that's the out of context. But if we go outside and we speaking about our project with our alma mater, that's kinda stress for the people who are watching. So my friend talks to me, it's alright, don't use alma mater for the interview, just for video on part 1. For part 2 I check it is use alma mater, but my friend told me don't use it on part 2 activity. uh, so that's part 2 is like about activity, asking activity for my friend and her favorite class uh, on history on campus. First time he joined to campus.